Hello, lovely people of the world, and welcome to Bad the Drone. Today, I'll be flying out over the bay to go see a lighthouse, which is about 3.5 kilometers away. I'll be flying the Parrot Anafi, and here it is, just about to take off. We've 96% power, and a bit of a headwind, but nothing too major. But I'm gonna see some cool stuff on the way out there, like islands and just some really, really cool views. So let's see how we get on. So we've got this far. You see that little white dot out there in the horizon? That's our destination. It seems like a million miles away, but it's about another 2 kilometers to be exact. And our power is looking pretty good. We've 82%. The speed has dropped to about 10 meters per second or thereabouts. So we must have a good headwind coming at us, which will help a lot on the way back. We might even break the speed record of the Anafi, and we'll definitely give that a go. But we'll keep going anyway and see how we get on. So we made it this far and we have a complete blackout, which is fine though, because it'll probably return in the next few seconds or a minute. It's probably just an island blocking the signal, but it does send you into a panic or a frenzy, because it's out there so far away. Oh, there we go, we're back. And it does happen the first few times. It's nerve-wracking. But here we are anyway, sitting comfortable at 3.1 kilometers away, 53% power, and just have a nice view of the lighthouse there. So we started off with 96% power, and we're now currently sitting at 52% power. So we've used just over 50% power to get here, and we have, I'd say it's nearly a three and a half kilometer journey back home, but the headwind should help us on the way back. It'll push us a bit faster, so we'll try and break the speed limit there as best we can. We should definitely start making our way home soon. There's a good chance the wind could start disturbing us around the lighthouse here, so we're gonna start turning around now in the next few seconds. So let's just see how that goes. Okay, so after another blackout, we're pointed in the right direction towards Patrick there, and the speed is already flying up towards 17-18 meters per second, which is brilliant. That's going to help us big time with our power shortage. So we're down to 43%, no, 42 now, sorry. But I'm expecting to see about maybe 19-20 meters per second. We'll try and hit that 20 meters per second mark. Brings up to about 45 miles per hour. I know the Anafi is top speed is rated at like 52, 51 kilometers an hour. But definitely try and break that just for the crack. As you can see, it's a beautiful view on the way back, and we're covering some great ground already. We've already shaved off a kilometer, and 2.3 to go. So yeah, this is great. I'll check back in anyway and see how we're getting on. Well guys, we made it. Only about 400 meters to go. It was a good trip today. You know, had our blackouts and a bit of wind and all that, but it went really well, I think. And I'm gonna definitely have way more flights happening over the next portion of the year. You'll just see me, my brother and sister here chilling out at the beach. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you back soon. Definitely like and subscribe this if you think you'll be watching more videos. Thanks guys, bye.